Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurus Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We are discussing the topic conjunct consonant. What does it mean, conjunct consonant? Two or more consonants, they come together without any vowel intervention. That is called a conjunct consonant. So any consonant can follow any consonant. Any number of consonants. Any number of consonants can follow any consonant. That is called a conjunct consonant. In Sanskritam, it is called Sanyukta Vyanjanani. Vyanjanam meaning consonant. Sanyukta means conjunct. So Sanyukta Vyanjanani. Conjunct consonants. Like the conjunct vowels. But there is a difference between conjunct vowels and conjunct consonants. Conjunct vowels A, I, O, Au. These four vowels are called conjunct vowels because they have two different places of pronunciation. That is conjunct vowels. Whereas this is conjunct consonants. And we have started already this topic and we have seen some combinations. Now we'll continue further. So you will read. Please type your name in the chat box. You will read this combination. Yes. Now, Akoshi, you can read.
Gakara plus na, gna. Takara plus ma, tma. Kakara plus ta, kta.
You can note
Takara plus.
You can note kakara plus ta, how it is written. You can note that. This is how you will see it in the printing.
Yes.
In books, you will see like this, ta. So this looks as though it's a separate letter. So you have to note this. This can be written like this or in another way also. Another way means as it is, a simple one. That is, you write kakara and followed by the ta, the next to it.
Yes.
Like I can show you just a minute. That is like I'll try to. It's difficult to do it in the paint, but let me try. This is kakara. Kakara plus ta. Ta is takara plus a. So kakara plus ta. What happens now? This can be written as you see in the screen. This is one thing. Can be written like this, or can be written like this also. You write ka and ta. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
This way also you can write. So anyway you can write. It's not a problem. Okay. Now continue. But you need to note that when that letter comes, you read it as tha. Like in the word sakta, rakta. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Continue.
Takara plus ta. Ta. Kakara plus sa. Ksa.
So, okay, next person. Deepika ji. You can read.
Yes. Cha. Chakara plus a. Cha. Ka.
Chakara plus cha, you can see. You can write one below the other, or you can write one after the other also.
Right.
When you write one below the other, the consonant at the top is the pure consonant. The following consonant is the last consonant,
Right.
which is followed by the vowel. Okay.
Ka.
Yeah.
Kakara plus ka is ka.
Okay.
Vya.
Vakara plus ya is vya.
Vya. Shakara plus na is shna.
This we saw shakara. Then
Shakara.
it is a part of the conjunct consonant.
Right.
And if it is not the last consonant, if it is anywhere, then the shakara takes the form. This we saw in the last class, shakara, right? The symbol.
No.
Please note that. Shakara
Yeah.
plus na.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shna. Then sakara plus na. Sna.
Sna. You see sakara and na is there. This is how it is written. Sakara
Right.
plus na. We will see many combinations, because any combinations are possible, depend on the word. Now the next person, Krishna ji, you can read.
Kakara plus ya. Kya. Pakara.
Continue.
Sorry, Guruji. Pakara plus pa. Makara plus light.
Hakara plus na.
Pakara plus na.
Okay, this will tell you something important here. Important to note.
Yes, Guruji.
Hakara plus na. Here, need to note this. This is Hakara, pure consonant, which is the first consonant, which is not the last consonant. That is what is important. Not the last. If it is not the last, then you have to write it half.
Yes.
If vertical stroke is there, you can remove it. But here vertical stroke not there, so you cannot remove anything. So you have to write like this, and the na, which follows, it's written right. This is
Okay.
written like this.
Yes.
But how do you pronounce this?
Na.
So hakara first and nakara.
Correct.
This is, remember, this must be pronounced.
No.
This must be pronounced as though, listen carefully, as though nakara is at the beginning followed by hakara. This is how it should this. This is
No.
in ha. Okay, this is how it must be pronounced.
Oh, I
Please
see.
note.
Noted.
So even though nakara follows, but nakara is pronounced first, followed by ha.
Okay.
This is one thing. Or this hakara, the following hakara, that also get the sound of nakara. So it is as though like na. That is, this is pronounced like this, not written like this. I'm saying about the pronunciation. Please note, these two are not written like that, but the pronunciation part I'm saying can be pronounced, should be pronounced nakara first and then hakara, or the hakara also takes the sound of nakara, as though it is like na. Please note that. This is important. Like in the word, we say, I'm writing one word, you can see.
Anh. Anham.
It is pronounced as though it is annam. That's it. Annam.
Okay. So ha is silent.
Ha it becomes nakara, not silent. Nakara take the sound of nakara. Or anham is okay, or annam. I'll give another example. This is one thing. Then the next thing is similarly for makara also. Nakara and makara. For these two things, this is a unwritten rule. This is how it is. Hakara plus makara. Here also, this ma is written at the bottom. This is ha, right? So this is a conjunct consonant. This is pronounced as though makara is at the beginning, followed by ha. So how do you pronounce this? Ha. Ha. We'll see. Then, or the hakara takes the sound of makara, as it is.
Ma.
Ma. Like in the word, the famous word, we know this, like in the word. This is
Brahma.
This is Brahma.
Yes.
Either Brahma or it is pronounced as though it is Brahma. As though it is Brahma. Okay, please note this. This is condition is only when Hakara is followed by Nakara or Makara. So when Hakara is followed by Nakara or Makara, then this Nakara, Makara is pronounced first, followed by the sound of Hakara, or the following Hakara take the sound of Nakara or Makara. This is unwritten rule. So that is why this you will see Brahma, this is pronounced as though it is Brahma. Brahma, Panam, Brahma, Vihi, Brahma, Agno, Brahmanahutam. So Brahma or Brahma. It is not Brahma. Note that. It is not Brahma, not Hakara first.
Yes.
Brahman. People pronounce this word as it is written, it is wrongly. And in English also it is written like that. In English you will see B-R-A-H-M-A.
Correct.
Brahma. It is not Brahma, it is wrong. If you are writing in English, it must be B-R-A-M-H-A.
Yes.
It must be other way.
Very true.
Okay, please note that. This is important. Now,
Yes.
so like that, some few points other than the conjunct consonant that you need to know. So Hakara plus Nakara is Na. You can simply say Anna. Madhyanam, we say Madhyanikam. Sandhya Danam when they do Madhyanikam, it is Madhyanikam. Okay, there are many words like that. We will see. Even the word Chinnam. Chinnam means symbol. How do you write the word Chinnam? Chinnam Chi. Chinnam meaning symbol, sign.
Chinnam.
Give the example. This Chinnam.
Hmm.
And now Tamil Nadu, it is important. Terdal Chinnam.
Hmm.
So, Chinnam means symbol.
Chinham.
How do you pronounce this word?
Chinham.
Chinham or Chinnam. Okay.
Yes.
But not Chikhnam.
Yes.
Please
Noted.
note this. Yeah. Continuing. Makara plus la is mlai.
Like.
Yeah. Next person now. Devaki ji. More examples.
Kakara plus ka, kha. Kakara plus ka, kha. Kakara plus ki, ki. Kakara plus ki, ki. Kakara plus ku, ku. Kakara plus ku, ku. Kakara plus kru, kru.
Kru.
Kakara plus kru.
Hmm.
Kakara plus ke, ke. Kakara plus kai, kai. Kakara plus ko, ko. Kakara plus kau, kau. Kakara plus kam, kham. Kakara plus kaha, kaha. Kakara plus ka, ka.
Yes. So any possibility, you can see that any letter, any number also of consonant can follow. So this is to show that. Now the next person, Rajeshwari ji.
Yes, Guruji.
Please read.
Takara plus repa, tra.
Takara not plus repa. Ra is repa means pure consonant will be there. Takara plus ra. You have to read it as
Oh, yeah, okay.
ra.
Takara plus ra, tra.
Takara.
Okay.
Repa plus ta, tra.
Repa plus ta, tra.
Repa plus ta. Okay. Repa plus ta is not, it's not possible to pronounce. It's a bit difficult. Now you note this. In the first example, Takara plus, who is reading now?
Rajeshwari Anand.
Okay. Devaki, you can mute your mic now. Yeah. Takara plus ra. Takara plus ra is tra. What is the first consonant in this?
Ta.
What is
Sorry.
it? Takara.
Takara, sorry.
What is the last consonant or the following consonant?
Ra.
Yeah, following consonant is repa. Following letter is ra. Okay.
Yeah.
So, since repa is the following consonant, you have seen if repa follows, that is, if repa is the last consonant or the following consonant, then you note that the repa will be repa, the last consonant. Say, suppose if it is followed by the vowel, the repa will be written like this.
Okay.
And the first consonant here, it is takara. So that is written like this. So this is tra, right?
Yeah.
This can be written like this, or the repa, which is followed by the vowel. This is ra, really speaking. Then takara is written like this, tra. So both are okay. This is repa plus, this is takara plus ra. Now, if it is, repa is the first consonant. Repa plus, if it is ta, here the last consonant, which is ta, that remains as it is. The ta means the last consonant takara followed by the vowel, that remains as it is ta, and the repa takes the form of the stroke at the top of the vowel. Please note that. Like in the word, suppose if you are reading here, I'm writing this word, you can see
Artha.
artha. This is tha, mahaprana. You can see artha. Dharma, artha, purushartha, that is artha. Even the word dharma also you can take. dha and ma and repa at the top. How do you read this, the word?
Dharma. Dharma.
So when you read this, dha is the first letter, dha, dakara plus a, that a is followed by repa. Note that. Followed by repa, not by makara.
Yeah.
Da is dakara plus a, followed by repa plus makara plus a. So you have to read this repa first because it follows immediately. Right? So therefore, here you have to note takara plus ra is not equal to repa plus ta. That is, it is not a plus b is equal to b plus a. Right?
Okay.
Both are different. So if repa is the following consonant, then it is written by the stroke, what you see here.
Yeah.
Stroke. If it is a following consonant. If it is a first consonant, then it is written at the top of the vowel. Whatever may be the vowel, whether it is a or e, the vowel sign. Please note this. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Guruji. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay.
Yes.
Continue. You will see a lot of examples. Read Rajeshwari.
Kakara plus repa. Kra.
Okay, that kakara plus ra should be, it's a typo, and another stroke should not be there.
Okay.
Kakara plus ra is equal
Kra.
to kra.
Kra. Yeah. Repa plus ka. How to pronounce this?
It is a bit difficult if there is a vowel bit before that, like in the word arka. Suppose a is there before. You can say arka. Arka means Surya. Arkaha means Suryaha. So the repa, if it is at the beginning, then it's difficult to pronounce. There should be a vowel before that. Generally, vowel will be there. Okay, because there are no word begin with repa like this. So vowel must be there. So with the support of the preceding vowel, you can pronounce that. Right? Either the vowel should be there before or after, but for this, vowel should be there before to pronounce. Yes.
Pakara plus ra. Pra. Repa plus pa. Again.
Like in the word sarpa, now we can say sarpa.
Okay.
Sa, the letter, the vowel, a is there, sarpa. Sarpa means snake. Yeah, please read.
Kakara plus sha. Ksha.
Just note that. Kakara plus sha, that kakara plus sha is ksha. That is written like this. It's a special form, as though it looks a new letter. In some books, you will find it as though it is a new letter. It is not. It's not a separate letter. It is not a separate letter. It is a combination of kakara and shakara, and it is given a form ksha. So, therefore, we don't consider the ksha as a separate consonant. In some books, it is given as though it is a separate, but it is not correct actually. Ksha is a conjunct consonant, combination of two consonants. So, therefore, like any other consonant, if you consider this as a consonant, then you have to consider all the combinations as a consonant, separate consonant. It's not possible. So, therefore, note this: kakara plus there is more than sha. It is written like this. The form changes. This is how it is written. You have to note this. Okay.
Okay.
Kakara plus sha.
This is the
It is
letter
not.
we use.
Sorry.
This
Yeah.
is the letter we use it for akshara.
Yes, akshara. Yes, this is a letter.
Okay.
And it is not written as it is. That is kakara plus sha. You will not find that shakara written. So it will take the form, only this form. Like what I'm saying is, to write this combination as like this, kakara plus sha is sha. This is not correct. Okay. This is not correct. You will not find like this. So it is not written like this. It is always written this way only. Okay, please note this. So kakara plus ksha. Similarly, the other one also. What is the other one? Read, please.
Jakara plus Nga.
Jakara plus nya is nya. This is nya, like in the word jnanam. Like in the word jnanam, ajnanam, jnaptihi. So that is another special form for this combination. For this jakara at the beginning. Jakara should be the first letter, not the nya. Jakara must be the first letter, followed by nyakara. This is the form it gets. So these two different the forms which are given to this particular combination, please note. Now the next person, Akanksha ji, can read.
Yes, good. Kakara plus ka equal ka. Kakara plus ta equal kta.
This can be written, we have seen, in special form also is kakara plus ta. We just now saw. You can note that also. It can be written like this way also. Yeah, please read. You understand the special form? Remember?
Yes.
Kakara plus ta. Just now we saw that combination. Like in the
Yes.
word rakta, sakta, I said.
Yes, good.
Okay, please continue.
Kakara plus na equal kna. Kakara plus ma equal kma. Kakara plus ya equal kya. Kakara plus la equal to kla. Kakara plus va equal kva.
Yes, the next person now. Yajna Priyaji, you can read, which is on the left hand side.
Yes. Gakara plus ya, gya,
Not Gakara, it is not Gakara, it is Kakara.
kakara.
It is not Gakara, it is Kakara, Mahaprana. Kakara plus Ya is Kya.
Yeah. Gakara plus na, gna. Gakara plus the. Gakara plus na, gna. Gakara plus ma, gma. Gakara plus ya, gya. Gakara plus la, gla. Gakara plus va, gva.
Okay, next person. Ramamani, you can read the letters on the right hand side.
Gakara plus na, na. Chakara plus cha, cha. Chakara plus cha, cha. Chakara plus ma, sma. Chakara plus ya, cha. Jakara plus ja, ja. Jakara plus va, jva. Jakara plus ya, ja.
Yes, next person, Kirtiji. Kirtiji, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. N plus nakara plus ch, ch.
Okay.
Takara plus ya, kya. Am I right?
Yeah, please read.
Dakara plus ya, dhya. Dakara plus ya, dhya. Nakara plus ta, ta. Nakara plus ta, ta. Nakara plus dha, dha.
Nakara, da. You have to say nakara, da. That nakara sound must be there. Okay, now the nakara plus ta, da. Nakara plus ta, da. That. Anyway, it becomes more pronounceable when there is a vowel before that. Like in the word kanta. Is a kanta, kanta
Right.
oshtam. So kanta. Yeah.
Okay. Nakara plus dha, dha.
Okay.
Nakara plus dha, dha.
Yes. Next person, Deepaji.
Nakara plus na, n. Nakara plus ma, m. Nakara plus ya, ny. Nakara plus va, nva. Takara plus tha, tha. Takara plus na, thna. Takara plus pa, tva. Takara plus ma, tma.
Tma in the word Atma. Atma.
Okay.
Next person. Bhavaniji.
Guruji, okay. Takara plus ya, tya. Takara plus va, twa. Takara plus, oh, I have problem with that. Takara plus
Sa.
sa, sta. I don't know. Do I say
Takara plus sa is sa.
sa? Okay.
Sa.
Sa.
Takara sound is a sa.
Sa.
Not
Okay.
sa, not simply sa. Sa.
Sa. Okay. And then takara plus na, na. Takara plus ya, tya. And dakara plus ba, the ba. And dakara plus na, dhana, dhna.
Dna.
Dhna. Dakara plus ma, dma.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Next person. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Dakara plus ya, dhya. Dakara plus va, dva. Nakara plus tha, tha.
Nakara plus the the Nakara
Nakara plus
sound. Like in the word antaha. Antaha. Dantaha. Even we have seen dantaha. Danta oshtam.
okay.
If it is preceded by the vowel, then it becomes more pronounceable. Yeah.
Nakara plus tha, anta, anta.
Not anta. Nta. Not a.
Nta.
There is no a before that.
Okay, anta. Nakara plus da, nda. Nakara plus dha, nda. Nakara plus ma, ma. Nakara plus ya, nya. Nakara plus va, nva.
Nakara plus ya, nya. That is pronounceable. Nakara plus va, nva is pronounceable. Why not nakara plus ta, nakara plus da and all? Must be the. But if it is difficult, if you in a word, when it is preceded by the vowel, it should be pronounceable. Okay. When nya is pronounceable, when nya, nva, nma pronounceable, dva, dhya, then this also must be, right?
Okay, sir.
What is required for pronunciation is one vowel must be present, either before or at the end. If it is at the end, that is why we call the last consonant, which is written completely, and all the preceding consonants written half. Okay, the next person now.
Okay, sir.
Lakshmi ji.
Pakara plus the plat.
Pakara plus ta.
Plat.
Not plat. What is pakara plus ta is no other extra sound. Only whatever letters are there, only that sound will come. Ta.
Th.
Not
Pakara
ta.
plus. Okay.
Why you have to say pakara? Pakara sound ta, like the word apta. Apta purusha. Or taptaha. Taptaha means eat. Taptaha. Okay.
Pakara plus na, plan. Pakara plus ya, plya. Pakara plus la, plya.
La.
Pakara plus sa,
Sa.
yes.
Sa. Like in the word apsu. Yeah.
Pakara plus ya, plya.
Yeah, okay.
What is Baka, is it
Bakara only.
Bakara plus ja, blood, ja,
Not Blaja.
ja,
Bja.
ja.
Bja.
Okay. Bakara plus dha, blood, dha.
Bakara plus the bda. Okay.
Yeah.
It's, next person now, Shivaji.
Yes, Guruji.
Practiced. Yes.
Bakara plus the
Bakara plus the bda. That consonant sound also must come. It is possible. Bda. Bda. Okay.
Okay, Guruji. Bakara plus ya, bhya.
Yeah.
Makara plus na, mna. Makara plus pha, pha.
Makara plus pa, makara plus na, pa, na.
Pa.
Like in
Na.
the word nimna, nimna lochanam. Nimna lochanam means setting. Nimna. Okay, read.
Okay, Guruji. Makara plus bha, bha.
Amba.
Okay, amba.
Amba, the word amba means mother.
Okay, Guruji. Makara plus ba, ba. Makara plus ma, ma. Makara plus ya, mya.
Yeah. Okay, next person. Akoshi.
Makara plus la, mla. Yakara plus ya, ya. Lakara plus ka, ka. Lakara plus pa, pa. Lakara plus ma, lma. Lakara plus ya, lia. Lakara plus la, la. Lakara plus va, lva.
Good. Yeah. Next person. Deepika ji.
Yes, Guruji. Vakara plus ya, vya. Shakara plus cha, shcha.
You can note Shakara can be written like this or the way I told you.
Yes.
That is with a stroke. Okay, let me show that because that is how you will see in the printing. In many texts, you will find Shakara written like that. That is, it will be written like this. This is Sha, and the Cha follows. So it is written as the bottom.
Right.
This is Cha. So it's Cha. Okay. But here it is written like this. No problem. It's just a vertical stroke of Shakara is removed and it's Cha. Both are okay.
Okay. Shakara plus na, shna. Shakara plus ma, shma. Shakara plus ya, shya. Shakara plus va, shwa. Shakara plus la, shla. Shakara plus ka, ksha.
Shka.
Shka, shka.
Okay. Next person, Krishna ji.
Shakara plus ta, shta. Shakara plus tha, shtha. Shakara plus na. Shakara plus pa, shpa.
Shakara plus na, shna. Like in the word ushna.
Yes, Guru.
Yeah.
Shakara plus pa, shpa. Shakara plus ma, shma. Shakara plus ya, shya. Shakara plus va, shva. Sakara plus ka, ska.
Yes. Next person, Devaki ji.
Shakara plus ta, shta.
Where is
Shakara
that?
plus
First one, Sakara plus.
ta.
Where is ta? You don't see. What's the first
Shakara
one?
plus
Sakara plus kha is there.
no. Oh, second one. So sorry. Sakara plus kha, ska. Sakara plus ta, sta. Sakara plus tha, stha. Sakara plus pa, spa. Sakara plus pa, spa. Sakara plus ma, sma. Sakara plus ya, sya. Sakara plus pa, sva.
Yes. Next person, Rajeshwari ji.
Repa plus K.
Don't worry, you can't. Reading is difficult. Like in the word arka, you can just see that how the form it doesn't. You can see the repa at written at the top, right? You can just read.
Repa
Combination
plus
is not
G.
combination is not possible to read. It's a bit difficult. They have to say repa plus ka is rka, rga, rgha, cha, jha, dha. That repa sound is there. That becomes more pronounceable when there is a vowel before that. Yeah.
Repa plus G. Rgha. Repa plus Dha. Gha.
Not dha, it is gha.
Gha, yeah. Repa plus Cha. Repa plus Ja. Re. Dra. Ja. Repa plus Dha. Ardha.
Yes, the word is ardha and all. Ardha is Mahaprana. Anyway, repa plus. Continue. You can read the whole thing.
Repa plus Dha.
Ardha,
Repa.
like in the word ardha, ardhanarishvara, ardha.
Yeah, ardha.
Ardha means half. Yeah.
Repa plus Pa. Arpa.
Sarpa.
Sarpa. Yeah.
Like in the word sarpa.
Yeah. Repa plus Bha. Repa plus Ma. Amrit, no, this will not come.
No, not this one. Amrita is when you say makara sound is first.
Yeah.
But makara plus r, that is not a conjunct consonant. That is a consonant vowel combination. A plus mr, makara plus r. Mr, amrita is different.
Yeah.
This repa plus ma is like in the word charma or varma.
Okay.
People have the name Varma.
Yeah.
Charma is skin. Charma. Karma, the word karma we know.
Yeah.
Karma.
Yeah.
Yes.
Repa plus Va. Repa plus Sa.
Yes. Next person now. Yajnapriyaji. Repa was preceding. Now repa succeeding. You see how it is written.
Kakara plus ra, kra. Kakara plus ra, kra.
Yes.
Gagara plus ra, gra. Gagara plus ra, gra.
You have to say it properly. It is first one was gakara plus ra, gra. Second one gakara plus ra, gra. Mahaprana.
Gra. Jakara plus ra, ja.
Where is chakara? It is jakara.
Ja. Jakara plus ra, jra.
Yeah.
Dakara plus ra, dra.
Read again.
Ji?
Read again.
Dakara.
Dakara. Because I'm hearing it as a takara. That's right. Okay.
Dakara plus ra, dra.
Okay.
Kakara plus ra, pra.
Yes.
Shall I read, Ji?
Yeah, please continue.
Bakara plus ra, bra. Bakara plus ra, bra. Makara plus ra, mra. Vakara plus ra, vra. Shakara plus ra, shra. Sakara plus ra, sra. Hakara plus ra, hakara. Correct, Ji?
Akara plus ra is?
Hra.
Hra.
Hara.
Not hara.
Hra.
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 Yes.
Hra. Yes, Ji.
So you can note shakara plus ra. Shakara is written shra. Sakara plus ra is sra. Hakara plus ra is hra. Hradaha. Hradaha means lake. Okay, then. Now, here also, like similar to this, repa follows, but here that following letter ra cannot be written like this stroke. Therefore, how it is written, you see. The next person now. Ramamaniji can read.
Chakara plus ra, chra.
You can see the stroke at the bottom of the letter cha. That stands for ra. Because since vertical stroke is not there to put that ra, the symbol, the repa, falling repa symbol. Therefore, it is written like this. So this is for the consonants which do not have the vertical stroke. Please read.
Takara plus ra, tra. Takara plus ra, tra. Dakara plus ra, dra. Dhakara plus ra, dra. Hakara plus ra.
Hakara plus ra already we have read, so it is not written like this. It is by mistake. Okay. Hakara plus ra already in the previous slide we saw. This is the last one. How it is written? Hakara plus ra.
Ra.
That is one. Khara. Not this way. That you can skip. Okay. Next. Now the next person. Kirti ji.
Kakara plus na. Kna. Kna. Kakara plus na. Kna. Gakara plus na. Gna. Ghakara plus na. Gna. Takara plus na. Na. Dhakara plus na. Dha. Nakara plus na. Na. Pakara plus na. Pna.
Yes. Continue.
Bakara plus na. Bna. Bhakara plus na. Bhna. Makara plus na. Mana. Vakara plus na. Vna. Shakara plus na. Shna. Shran. Shna.
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 Shakara plus na. Shna.
Shakara plus na. Shna. Sakara plus na. Sna. Hakara plus na. Naha. Nah. Naha.
No. Hakara. Sakara plus na is na. The last one. Hakara plus na is either you can say it as nha or na. As though it is nakara plus nakara. Like in the, you can see here on the right hand, on the left hand side, how it is written. Nakara plus na is na.
Yeah.
That sound will be there. That is hakara is replaced by nakara.
Okay.
That's just now we saw.
Na. Yeah. Hakara plus na is na.
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 Okay. No. The next one, next person. Deepaji.
Kakara plus la, kla. Dakara plus kha, kha.
Not dakara, it is nakara. You can see the dot.
Sorry.
It's a nasika letter.
Okay. Nakara plus kha, kha.
No. Nakara plus ka, nka, like in the word anka.
Anka, okay. Nka.
Anka or panka. Yes.
Anka, okay. Nakara plus ka, nka. Nakara plus ga, nga. Shakara.
Like in the word anga.
Okay.
Anga,
Okay.
anga, angi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chakara plus cha, cha. Jakara plus ja, ja. Nyakara plus cha, ncha. Nakara plus ja, nja.
You can note this. Nyakara plus ja written like this. Suppose if it is other way, jakara plus nya, then you got a new letter. We saw that new form is the separate form for that combination. Jakara plus nyakara. If jakara is the first consonant and followed by the nya, then it is written like the form is different. Like the word jnanam, that nya we saw just now, it is written like this. Okay. So here for this, jakara is the first letter, followed by the nasika letter, which is yeah. Okay, just to remember to see the difference between the two. Okay. So here is nyakara plus ja, like in the word like in the word
Anjana.
Panjara, Panjara, even Vyanjanam, yes. Good
Vyanjanam.
example. Vyanjanam itself it is there. Now you can read the consonant. Vyanjanam, Vyanjanani, Sanyukta Vyanjanani. It's very interesting. Samyukta, conjunct consonant. You can see how the words Samyukta Vyanjanani is written. So if I say any word, you would be able to write it. Samyukta Vyanjanani. You have to see the sound, how the sound flows. What is the first sound is? Sam. This is sa with dot. Sam. Samyukta. Ya and you. U is there. U. Sam you. Yukta. That is this kakara plus ta. Samyukta. Then Vyanjanani. Vakara. Then ya. Vya, then Vyanj, there's Nikara, then Jakara, Vyanja, Nani, Na and Ni. Sanyukta Vyanjanani. Okay. Sanyukta Vyanjanani. It means conjunct consonant. Okay. Since I have to show you how the consonant as written, I'm writing using this paint. Otherwise, word file, if I type, that will come. But word file, I can type the name, but not the individual component of the conjunct. That is difficult. Like, I'll show you that the word file, you can type it. Now, I think henceforth I can type in the word file and show you, because you are familiar with the form of the conjunct consonant, how it is written. So now if I can use the word file comfortably. So it is Samyukta Vyanjanani. Right? So you can read this now. Samyukta Vyanjanani.
Sanyukta Vyanjanani.
Yes. Okay. So you can continue.
Okay, Guruji. Takara plus ta, ta. Takara plus ya, thya. Dakara plus ya, dhya. Dakara plus ya, dhya. Takara plus tha, tha. Dakara plus ga, g. Dakara plus dha, dha. Dakara plus dha, dha.
Okay. Dakara plus dha, you can see it is, dha is written at the bottom. So now here, I'll show you this Dakara plus dha and Dakara plus ga, how it is written. Dakara plus, if it is dha, then Dakara at the top, the following one at the bottom, dha. So like in the word Buddha, like Buddhi.
Okay.
The word Buddha comes, Buddha is written like this, Buddha, Buddha. Now Dakara plus, if it is Gakara, then how it is written? That is also written the same way. Dakara at the top, Ga at the bottom, but it looks as though same, but it is not same. It depends on the context. Dakara plus Ga is also written like that. Dakara plus Dha is also. So it looks as though same, but it depends on the word, whether it is Gakara or Dakara.
Okay, Guruji, in Samyukta, it is Sanyukta or Samyukta?
You can say Samyukta or you can say Sanyukta. Nasalized, that we will see later. We have not learned that.
Okay.
Samyukta you can read now.
Okay, thank you.
Now the next person. After Bhavaniji.
Dakara plus bha, bha. Takara, sorry. Takara plus ma, tma. Takara plus
It is
ya.
not Takara. I'm hearing the word Takara. It is not Ta. It is Dakara. It is
Dakara,
Mridu.
sorry. Yeah. Dakara plus ma, tma. and then dakara plus ya, tia,
Dakara plus ya is
tia,
dya.
tia,
Dya.
tia.
Like in the word vidya.
Okay. Tia.
Dakara plus ya is, it is written like this, dya. You can note the form. This is dya. Like in the
Yes.
word vidya.
Okay.
Vidyalayaha. Yeah. But you need to correct your pronunciation. Your pronunciation need to improve.
Okay.
Because you are making this Mridhu Vyanjanani into Katori Vyanjani. It's not Takara, it is Dakara.
Dakara. Okay.
Yeah.
Dakara plus va, va. Dakara plus cha.
No, what is cha?
That is sorry, ba.
You
Dakara.
have to, I tell you, you have to be familiar with all of you. You have to be familiar with the letters, because after that we will start reading the words and sentences. That time we will not come back to this. So you have to be familiar with the letter, what it is.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. The ba and
Pakara plus ta.
Pakara plus ta, pa,
Pakara plus ta, what?
ta.
What about Pakara? Pakara pronounce sound is not heard. Pakara plus ta is pta. Pta. You have to say pta.
Okay. And lakara plus la,
Okay.
and lakara plus la, and shakara plus ja.
Again, read again.
Yeah.
What is that letter? Shakara plus?
Shakara plus cha. I'm sorry. Cha.
Hmm.
Cha.
Please
And-
practice. I sent you the book.
Okay.
You have to write as many times as possible till you are familiar with the letter. Okay.
Okay.
If you are familiar with the letter, you won't be able to read further.
Okay.
Please spend some time, some homework to be done.
Okay. I will.
Yeah. Next person, Umaji. Umaji, please read. Unmute your mic and read.
Shakara plus la, shla. Shakara plus va, shva. Shakara plus ta, sta, ashta. Shakara plus ta, ashta. Hakara plus na, shna. Hakara plus ma.
Shna. Where is Shna? Where you get the sound Shna? Shakara
Sorry.
sound.
Hna.
Akara plus no. Khna. That's no, I said it is not khna.
Oh, sorry, sir. Hna.
It is not khna. It is not. Hakara is the first letter. Then if nakara, nakara, makara follows. Okay. The nakara probably I didn't tell you. Okay. Even if more than a nakara follows.
Yeah.
That the last letter will, that is the nakara sound comes first and then hakara. So hakara plus na, it is ha or na. It is pronounced as though it is nakara followed by nakara. Please note this also. Hakara plus nakara, it is written like this, na, but it is pronounced as though it is nakara, na. Or it can be pronounced this way, na. But not na. Okay. Written like that, but pronunciation is different. Okay, continue. Hakara plus ma.
Hakara plus ma. Hakara plus ya, Hakara plus la. Hakara plus va,
Khwa. Okay. Now next person, Lakshmi ji. You can read now the words with the conjunct consonant. Please read.
Pakara plus kha.
You can read the words alone. You can the
Kuta.
equation leave it out. Yeah.
Kukkuta.
Kukkutaha.
Kukkutaha.
Yeah.
Um,
You can spot the conjunct consonant. Okay. Kukutaka, kakara plus ka is there. Here kakara plus u is there. Now kakara plus ku. Kukutaha. That is how you read. Then next word.
I'm sorry, I'm not unable to pronounce this.
It is not dakara. It is not dakara. First the problem is people are confused with the letters. You have to be familiar with the letters first. You have to be familiar with the letters. It is yes.
Kuraha.
Where is kuru? Ankuraha.
Ankuraha.
So that na is get the sound can be pronounceable because of the preceding vowel ankuraha. Kuraha ankuraha.
Ankuraha.
Right? Okay. Nakara plus ka, that is here as the conjunct consonant. Nakara plus ku, anku. You can say that nakara becomes pronounceable. The first consonant becomes pronounceable because of the preceding vowel. That a is there. Understand? Ankuraha, when you write its individual components, the first letter is a, followed by nakara, followed by kakara, then u plus repa plus aha. These are the letters. Now, this a plus nakara becomes ang. And kakara plus u becomes ku. Repa plus aha, raha. So now you can see ang
kuraha.
Ang ku raha. You have to read like this. Ankuraha. Okay.
Okay.
Continue. You can read the word alone.
Sachkaha.
Sachkaha.
Sachkaha. Shatkaha.
Not shat.
Shatkaha.
Shatkaha.
Utkaraha.
Good.
Akraraha. Akraha. Akraha.
Akraha. Where is kra?
Plus ka. Repa plus kaha is kraha.
No. They're not understanding that repa plus ka is there, but repa is the first letter, right? Preceded by a. Repa. You read this.
Ara.
Read properly. What is this?
Ara.
Not ara. Where is ara? If it is ara, it will be written like this.
Okay. Artha. No.
What is this? Not so difficult.
It's not
It's ar only. That's what it is. Ar. Is it difficult to read this? It is ar only. Vowel a is there, repa is there, ar. Now becomes
arka.
That's what it is. What's the difficulty in reading this? Ar and ka is there, arkaha.
Arkaha.
Understand?
Okay.
It is arka. That is a is akara is the vowel. Repa is the first consonant. Followed by kakara. Then a. So the repa is pronounced with the help of the preceding vowel ar. You have to see what precedes. If you read a first and you try to struggle with this, it's difficult. Repa you have to connect with the preceding vowel ar. Then ar plus kakara plus a is ka, arkaha. Okay, you have to see that. Early we have seen some examples before.
Okay.
Arkaha, right? So that's what we are going to do, practicing the reading the words. For that you have to be familiar with, first of all, the letters. Should not have doubt with regard to the pronunciation of the letter. All of you have to work. Okay. Please do work. Homework. Next person, Shivaji. You can read the
Yes,
word
Guruji.
alone. Yes, please read.
So the next one is
Yeah, fourth one.
yeah,
The word you can read.
fourth one. Right. Shulkaha.
Yes. Yeah, please read.
Chadushkonaha.
Chatushkonaha. Chatushkonaha. That is all you have to read.
Yeah,
Cha, and the next one is tu, but followed by the conjunct consonant. Therefore, you can read the consonant also along with the vowel u, the tu, tush, cha, tush, ko, aha. So if you read tu alone and it becomes shko, it sometimes becomes difficult. This is okay. Shko is becoming pronounced. Suppose if it's some other consonant, conjunct consonant like the repa, then becomes difficult. So you try to pronounce that with the preceding vowel, like this tush, chatush. Chatush is pronounceable. Then konaha, chatush konaha.
Chatushkonaha.
Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, Guruji.
Yes. Please read.
Skandaha.
Here, good example, skandaha. You see the letter here. Skandaha. Ka is there. What is ka? Ka is kakara plus
A.
A is there. So vowel is there. So the preceding letter sakara and the following letter nakara both becomes pronounceable because of the vowel which is in between, right?
Correct.
So skan is pronounceable.
Yeah.
Skan, then daha, skandaha.
Skandaha.
Whereas nakara and daha, that sometimes becomes difficult. But skan, daha, even though, see, nakara plus daha, the conjunct, that's all we have seen. But when you read, you can read as though skan is one word, daha is another word. When you read, this is only for reading, okay?
Okay.
Then continue.
Vra.
The next line, first word.
Next line, first word. Okay. Kha. Ikha is that you can leave it, right?
That leave it, yeah, next line, first word.
Okay.
Do you see that, the cursor? You can read that.
Yeah.
What is the first word, first letter?
First letter is sh. Shru.
And the vowel sign is?
Shrunkala. Shrunkala.
Shrunkala.
Shrunkala.
Shrunkala. Okay.
Shrunkala.
So that nakara is pronounced with the help of preceding vowel r. Shrunkala.
Shrunkala.
Okay. Next one.
Utkananam.
Utkananam. You see, takara plus ka is tkha. Sometimes this is pronounceable, but other combination may not be.
Okay.
Whether pronounceable or not, the first consonant, you try to connect with the preceding vowel. Ut is pronounceable. Then kananam. It's simple to read. Ut, kha. You have to see all the letters first and then see how we can pronounce with the help of the vowel preceding or succeeding.
Guruji, I have a question. Can I ask you? Sorry to interrupt. Yeah. Could you please go over to that word shrinkala? Where is that r sound that's coming? It's
right. There is no ra sound. It is shru only. Where is ra?
No, that's what I mean. See, this is what I'm saying. Nakara plus ka, right?
Shrinkala. Nakara plus ka is there. Yeah.
Yeah, and then
this is shru.
Yeah.
What is this letter? Shakara plus?
Shakara plus ra.
Shakara plus ra?
Repa.
Repa, is it repa? Please think. Shakara plus repa, it is written like this. Shra, this is different, this is different. Both are different. I understand your question. Why you ask this? This confusion is. Shakara plus ra is shra. Whereas shra is, it is not a conjunct consonant. It is shakara plus the vowel r. That's where the doubt is, right?
Ah, okay.
Understand? Please note that. This is different. Shra is different. Shra is different. This is shra, not shru.
Okay.
So the word what we have is shrinkala. Shrink. The word what we have is shrink. Shrink, then kha-la. Shrinkala. Clear?
Okay. Oh yeah, I completely forgot that sh plus r, you write it as shr. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay. I think we can stop here. I have another class now. So we'll continue. We'll continue reading the words. So you have to be familiar with the combination, the vowels, the consonants, the combination, and all all the special.
Sorry to interrupt. I also had another question which I had separately asked you, but you asked me to bring it in the class. So do you want me to ask you in the next class, or do you want me to do it now?
Please ask me. What is it?
Okay. I know you emphasize more on pronunciation, but in this Sanskritam group, you kind of send all the links about different Vedas, like everything. I'm a little confused. Do we have to get thorough with this and then learn all the ones
you're asking about the other classes which I posted here. Gita, Upanishad, Tattva-bodha.
Yes. How does it work?
That is Vedanta class. So for that, Vedanta is that's a teaching. So for that, you need not know Sanskritam. I mean, whatever you know it now as you're trying to learn, that much is with that knowledge you can join. You need not, I don't expect you to know complete Sanskritam and then study Vedanta. No, even the students who are there in the class, they are at different levels. Some people are advanced, we're doing sutras now, advanced Sanskritam. Some people are at the intermediary. Some people are just one step below that. And you are at the further below, doesn't matter. But reading is enough. If you can read, when I chant and if you can repeat after me, that much is enough. Yes, I will explain some Sanskrita words, some technical things that you may not follow. Doesn't matter. But the teaching you can follow. The teaching is in only English.
Okay.
Gita, when we read a shloka and I interpret a shloka only in English, not in Sanskritam, so that you can follow. So, if you can read Sanskritam, that much is enough. If you can repeat what I say, that is enough. Then you can join the other classes. Anyway, I think, I have the channel. If you go and see, all the classes are there. So, if whichever class you want to join, you can let me know. Mundaka Upanishad I'm doing with Bhashyam, Kathopanishad also, and Bhagavad Gita, that is with Bhashyam elaborately, and Bhagavad Gita Moolam also on separate class. So these classes are Vedanta classes, and Tattva-bodha also I'm doing it now. Second time I'm doing. If you're interested, you can join. That is, for that Sanskritam, reading is knowledge is enough.
Okay,
I don't
but
expect more. Yeah.
Is it okay to kind of join in between?
Just message me, I will add in the group.
Okay.
And the class time also, all the classes are there only in the morning, 5:30.
Okay. All right.
You can join.
Thanks.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Guruji,
we'll stop. Yeah.
Just one quick question. Do you teach Taittiriya Upanishad also?
Taittiriya Upanishad, I taught chanting. I completed teaching chanting, but not the Upanishad. Upanishad will do after.
Okay.
After doing Undaka and Kata. See, yes.
Namaste, Guruji.
We'll stop
Guruji,
here.
for that word helicopter, I asked Udgarani Vimanam. Is it right?
The word is there in the file.
PDF file which you have sent to us.
Yeah, it's okay. Whatever it is, it's the same word. Yes. Udgarani Vimana.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Hari Om.
Namaste. We can stop here.
Hari Om.
Thank you.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om.
Namaste, Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರು.
Those who have difficulty in reading, please practice. Reading and writing practice, please do.
Sure, ji.
Yes, Guruji. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Dhanyawad.
Thank